Welcome to the Essex office of Testosteronology. Here it is, here's a sign. Come on down, I want to show you a little bit around this really cool town of Essex, Connecticut, where we put the office. Come on down, check this out. Check out this house here. This is some cool stuff. Look at that house. Right, so James Phelps, right? 1845. So this is Essex, Connecticut. I decided to have the home of testosteronology where men can feel safe and protected under my care and further training of other doctors called testosteronologists, where men are cared for appropriately that are on testosterone and of course androgens with ethical care. Come on in. Let's check out the office, come on in. So you can see the sign brings you in, and a really nice parking lot for you guys. But you know, this day and age, I've been doing everything really virtually. It's been amazing, you know what? So telemedicine is exploding for access for people all over the world right now, and that's a great thing. Come on in. So when you guys do come up here in the Northeast to Connecticut, you come to the office, you'll see the signs, right? You can park right here. Come on in. Check it out. Here it is. How can you miss it? How can you miss it? Come on in, guys. Welcome to the house. Testosteronology. Welcome to my personal private medical practice up here in Connecticut. This is kind of like a waiting room, but there's not much waiting going on because when guys come, there's no waiting because it's so VIP and specialized for men. It's a special place for men, and we're doing so much stuff online, so get the consults going. Come on in. We love this place. Been here since April. I bought the old door with me from the other office up in Bloomfield. Check that out. Got the old school door. Here's where the general manager, Kim, you guys talk to Kim DiBattista. She's our general manager. She is awesome, and she right now is behind that camera. Come on in. Another kind of waiting room, right? So such a nice place in here, soft woods. This means a lot to me right here. Incredible special ops guy said that to me. 2011. I've been around for a long time, guys. We got Wendy in there, Nurse Wendy. Hard at work in there. This is the station, and here it is. So, I want to thank everyone so much on my YouTube channel, my Instagram. We're going forward. We're expanding testosteronology for men. We got a lot of things. There's going to be a digital app for men. There's going to be access to men for my services all over the world. Not just for me, but through my doctors, but also we're creating some software so you can access the best you can to take care of your health and have me indirectly running you through and kind of chaperone you through. So stick forward to that and look forward to follow us on that. What else is going on? Men on testosterone not been cared for adequately because it's not just endocrinology or urology. Those are fine physicians. Everyone knows that. Those are excellent physicians. But one is more surgical based and one is an endocrinologist. Those are brothers and sisters of mine and experts, and they're very busy with diabetes, osteoporosis, thyroid care, and when it comes to understanding men that have used steroids, so many types of steroids, not to mention other performance enhancing drugs, and the effect on men and their brains and their sexual function, their cardiac function, their kidney, their internal medicine function, the red blood cells, how it affects that and polycythemia. And I do this every day. I realize the necessity for having this specialty. So this is the house of the first place for a physician, internal medicine doctor to offer these services. And I'm so humble and happy that we're growing so well. I can't thank you enough for trusting me and supporting my movement for men, and there's nothing else that matters to me. So let's get comments, please. Let's talk about testosteronology, what it means to you, what you think it should morph into, as primary care doctors are going to be part of this because they have to. And I want doctors to get involved. Please, what do you think about this real focused specialty of internal medicine just for men on testosterone to androgens, realizing that men on androgens, there's millions upon tens of millions, maybe hundreds of millions in the world, and they're young and they're gonna have side effects. Do they realize what they're doing to themselves? We need to bring this education to them. So thank you for coming into my house, my office house here in the Northeast, and trusting me, and I really appreciate it, and I really hope this keeps all you prepared and strong and healthy. Thank you.